Hey friends, welcome back. I joined a collaboration hosted by Gail at Gail Southern Living, and the collaboration is called Weird Container Growing 24. Basically, you just think of weird containers that you can grow in, because really anything that can hold soil you can grow in. So people have been getting really creative with the different things that they can grow in, and I wanted to update you on our crazy ideas. So let's come over here. So here's this bag. We planted sweet potato in it, and it's hanging on the fence here. It's just a random reusable bag, washable, that you get from, like most of mine are from people that were marketing their product and they put their name on the bag. So I did 4 more with sweet potatoes in it because why not? Let's look at these pockets here. So I haven't seen on other people's channels very many of these being in use, but look, they almost take up no extra space, and they provide, I have 3 of these, 6 holes. They provide 18 extra spots to put something in, and they're doing great. We got tomatoes here. Something's been eating them, so I'm guessing they're ripe. Let's try this one. These are the orange hat tomatoes from Baker's Creek, and I haven't had one yet, so let's have one. That's good. It's actually really good. Yay! Another weird container was, if you run out of things to grow in, just grow straight into the garden bag. So I did that. Guess what that is? Sweet potato. You could grow in a laundry basket. The strawberries in a laundry basket experiment did not work. They did not stay alive. So they thrived last year when we planted them, but then because of the winter, they didn't like this. So bummer. But we do have something growing in here instead. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes also in Home Depot buckets. I was not meaning to do a sweet potato theme, but it kind of looks like that's what's going on here. Look at these. Look at the pole beans. Got to guide you this way, like that. No. I'll put you in there. There we go. I'll help you out, buddy. Well, I guess you can grow on the fence, as long as you give me my green leaf on my side of the fence so I can see them. A tree ring. It's a new tree ring. We're going to do an old tree ring too, but I really just couldn't find a good spot for it, so chucked that idea. Compost pile. I dug that compost out, piled it there, and I was like, well, if it's going to sit there till I can use it later, might as well plant something in it, right? Now we're heading over to the pumpkin patch. Oh. Grow bags, of course. Buckets. Ooh, and we got raspberries. I need to come out here and harvest. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, it almost looks like 2 in 1. Ha! Ah. Something dug. Rude. Bookshelf. I didn't have enough dirt left to fill it up. I didn't want to buy any more. So it's empty and it's still sitting here. We might use it next year. trash can with sweet potato in it. Imagine that. And I think that's everything. I didn't end up growing in a cardboard box. If you saw part 1 and part 2 of my weird container growing, where I talked about what I was going to grow in or what you could grow in for my ideas, I'm not doing the cardboard box and I'm not doing a tote. But here's the other things. So pretty cool. And look at the garden. Everything is doing fantastic and I'm so excited. So if you run out of ideas and you need something to grow in, there's some for you. Just grow in the garden soil bag. It'll work. I've done it before with potatoes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll pop up some videos for you to watch and have a wonderful day. Feel free to like and subscribe. Bye.